Hey, hello, welcome back to Rana's channel. In this time, I want to discuss about how to build trust. Trust is the most important element in life. No matter whatever you do, in work, social life, friendship, trust is always take an important role. If someone don't trust you, it's a nightmare. So, how to build trust? Number 1. Value long-term relationships. If you have a long-term relationships, you are lucky one. Just value it by keeping your relationships better. Understand each other's and stay humble. Number 2. Be honest. Honesty is an important requirement in a relationships. Never lie to your partner. Once you lie, they never trust you more. Number 3. Keep your promises. If you make a promise, follow through on it. Avoid making promises that you cannot do. Number 4. Admit when you are wrong. Make a mistake is a normal thing, but admit the mistake sometimes feels so hard. So if you do something wrong, just admit it. Number 5. Helpful. Sometimes your partner needs your help. Of course, you have to help without any reason. To help someone is not bad because sometimes you will need help from them also. Number 6. Be vulnerable. You need to share your emotions. It just shows that you are a normal person. It also helps you to build the trust. Number 7. Show to people that you care. People will naturally trust you more if they feel like you're truly interested in them. Be friendly and talk about everything they like. It shows that you care to them. Build a trust does not happen in a day or two. Try to keep a long-term approach and do your best. If someone trusts you in work or relationships, everything will be very easy. So if you like this video, please comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.